Hello everyone, myself Mahantish Kukudi. Welcome you all to the coordinate geometry continue part. So in the last class, we derived section formula and midpoint formula. By using those section formula and midpoint formula, now we have to solve exercise part, that is exercise 7.2. Now in the exercise 7.2, we have to go for first problem. What is that? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Here two coordinates are there. First coordinate is -1, 7 and the second coordinate is 4, -3. So there exists another point in between those two coordinates in the ratio 2:3. We have to find out coordinate of that point. Now we have to go for solution. Here find the coordinates of the point which divides the line, which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So here we have to write solution for this. Let the point P divides the line joining the points. Here first coordinate we are going to take as name A of -1, 7 and B of 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So it means here this is point A and this is point B. So point A coordinates are -1, 7. Point B coordinates are 4, -3. If we join these 2 points, there exists another point, that is point P. So we have to find out coordinate of point P with the help of these 2 coordinates are going to form a straight line. On that P is going to divide in the 2:3 ratio. So this side is 2 units, this AP is 2 units and PB is 3 units. So what you have to write here? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Here ratio means 2:3 is there. M1 is 2, M2 is 3. So what you have to write? By using section formula. What section formula says? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Here M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So here x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x1, y1. We wrote values here. Now x2 is 4, y2 is -3. Here ratio 2:3 is there. So M1 is equal to 2, M2 is equal to 3. So we have to find out coordinates of point P. That one I am going to take as x, y. So by using the section formula, how to write P of x, y, that is equal to, we are going to find out coordinates of point P by using section formula. So in this formula, we have to substitute value of x1, y1, we have to substitute value of x2, y2, and we have to substitute value of M1 and M2. So what happens? Here M1 m1 is 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3 into x1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. Now in the second part, m1, again m1 is 2, y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 value is 3, y1 value is 7 divided by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. Now we have to go for simplification. P of x comma y, that is equal to, here 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. Here 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. So which implies 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 by 5. Here minus 6 plus 21 is 15 by 5. So here 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So P of x comma y, that is equal to 1 comma 3. So now what you have to write here? Therefore the coordinate of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3 is 1 comma 3. This is our required solution. Now we have to go for second problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Trisection means for a given line segment we have to divide into 3 equal parts. That is called trisection. Now we have to solve this problem. Here you have to go for solution. Let the points P and Q be the points of trisection of the line joining A of 4 comma minus 1 and B of minus 2 comma minus 3. See here there are two coordinates. First one is 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So here I am going to consider two coordinates with their line segment. Here this is A, 4 comma minus 1. Here this is B, this is minus 2 comma minus 3. So here we have to divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. So here I am going to take point P and here I am going to take point Q. When this line segment is divided into 3 equal parts, here all part I am going to take 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Now after dividing like this, here this is 1 unit, from P to Q is 1 unit, from Q to B is 1 unit. Mean this AB is divided into 3 parts, AP, PQ and QB. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the coordinate of point P, and we have to find out what is the coordinates of point Q. Here AP is to PB. First I am going to consider ratio of AP and PB. Here AP is 1 unit. PB is nothing but sum of PQ and QB. So if you add both distances, it will become 1 plus 1 is 2 units. So this is equal to AP is to PB. That ratio is equal to 1 is to 2. Now by using section formula, this one I am going to take as x1 y1, this one I am going to take as x2 y2. We have to find out coordinates of point P. So what section formula says? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here one more coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So now therefore the coordinates of the point P is given by, here x1 y1, x2 y2, m1 m2. Here x1 is 4, y1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 2, y2 is minus 3. Here ratio is 1 is to 2. So m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Now these all values, if you substitute in this formula, we are going to get coordinate of point P. Therefore coordinates of P, that is equal to, here m1 that is 1 into x2 value is minus 2 plus m2 that is 2 into x1 value is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 is nothing but 1 plus 2. Here second coordinate m1 value is 1 into y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 value is 2, y1 value is minus 1. We have to substitute all these values in this formula to get the result. So here m1 plus m2 that is 1 plus 2. So which implies here 1 into minus 2 that is minus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus into minus 2 ones are 2 divided by 3 ordered. So this is equal to, here minus 2 plus 8 that is 6 by 3. Here minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 divided by 3. So here 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it will become 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Therefore what you have tried? Coordinates of P, that is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now to find out coordinates of Q, what you have tried? Now to find coordinates of Q, what we have to consider? We have to consider ratio of AQ and QB. So here AQ is to QB, that is equal to, AQ is 1 plus 1, that is 2 units, 2 is to 1. Again here x1 y1 is same, x2 y2 is also same. Just you have to use ratio 2:1. It means m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 1. And x1 y1 x2 y2 it is same. If you substitute these all values in the section formula, we are going to get coordinates of point Q. Now by using section formula, what section formula says? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here values are right. Therefore the coordinates of the point Q is given by here x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 m2. We have to write all the values and substitute in this formula, then we are going to get coordinates of point Q. So here x1 y1 is 4 comma minus 1, x2 y2 is minus 2 comma minus 3, m1 value is 2, m2 value is 1, because here ratio is 2:1. Therefore coordinates of Q, that is equal to here m1 is 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus as it is, m2 is 1, x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 1. Here now we have to substitute values in the second part. m1 value is 2 into y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 value is 1, y1 value is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to, how to solve? 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, plus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus into minus 1 into 1 is 1 only, then 2 plus 1 is 3. So here what happens? Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0 by 3, here minus 7 by 3. So this is equal to 0 by 3 is 0 only, so this is minus 7 by 3. So what do you have to write? Therefore coordinates of Q, that is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is our required solution. Now we have to go for third problem. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So from A to B, distance between each line is 1 meter, and from A to D, distance between each pot is 1 meter. As shown in the figure 7.12. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD on the second line. So Niharika starts from here. Second line means from here to this side. Here total AD distance is 100 pots. So she runs 1/4 of this total distance. and posts a green flag. So from the second line she is going to start, and she covers 1/4 distance of the total length. Total length is 100 pots, which are having 1 meter distance in between them. It means total length is 100 meter. In that total length, she covered 1/4 of the total length, right? And at that point, she is going to post a flag. Now, Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line. It means Preet is going to start his journey from this point, and he covers 1/5 of the total distance. Total distance is 100 meters. So whatever the 1/5 distance will be there, at that point he is going to post another red color flag. Now what they are asking, what is the distance between both the flags? So we have to find out coordinate of flag which is posted by Niharika, that is green color flag, and another one red color flag. So we have to find out distance between these two flags. Now still one more concept is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? It means first you have to find out coordinate of green flag, then you have to find out coordinate of red flag, and we have to find out distance between green and red flag. After finding distance between them, we have to find out midpoint for that. That in that midpoint of these two flags, Rashmi is going to post her flag. Now we have to write solution for that. Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD on second line and posts a green flag. Therefore, the coordinates of green flag, that is equal to n of, here second line means we have to take x value as 2. Here 1/4 of distance AD. Total distance is 100 meter. In that she covered only 1/4. So here 1/4 into 100 is y-axis coordinate. So this is equal to n of 2, 4 1s are 4, 25 are, that is 2, 25. This is the coordinate of a point where Niharika is going to post a green flag. Now in the same way, we have to identify coordinate of Preet where he is going to post red flag. So here we have to write Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD on 8th line and posts a red flag. Therefore, the coordinates of red flag, that is equal to P of, here 8th line means x coordinate is 8. Here how to find out y coordinate means he covered 1/5 distance of AD. AD distance is 100 meter. So here we have to take 1/5 of 100 meter. So this is Preet coordinate is 8, 5 1s are 5 20s are. So this is 8, 20. This is the coordinate of Niharika, where she is going to post green flag, and this is the coordinate of Preet, where he is going to post red flag. So here I am going to take one point Niharika and another point as Preet. Niharika coordinates are 2, 25. Here Preet coordinates are 8, 20. To find distance between the both flags by distance formula, here np, that is equal to, here this coordinate I am going to call as x1 y1, this coordinate I am going to call as x2 y2. So by using distance formula, what distance formula says? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So np means distance between the flags of Niharika and Preet, that is equal to under root, you have to substitute values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in this formula. X2 is 8 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 20 minus y1 is 25 whole square. So np, that is equal to under root 8 minus 2, that is 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square. This is equal to under root 6 square is 36 plus minus 5 square is 25. This is root 61 units. Therefore, distance between the flags, that is equal to root 61 units. Now, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags, then the coordinates of blue flag is midpoint of N and P. If Rashmi is going to post a blue color flag exactly in the middle of the NP, means here this is R, x3, y3. So by using midpoint formula, we have to find out R coordinates. Therefore, R of x3, y3, we are using midpoint formula here. What midpoint formula says? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore, R of x3, y3 is equal to x1 value is 2 plus x2 value is 8. 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Here y1 value is 25 plus y2 value is 20 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 plus 8 is 10 by 2. Now here 25 plus 20, that is 45 by 2. So here if you simplify, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So it will become 5, 45 by 2 we can express in the decimal as 22.5. Therefore, coordinates of blue flag posted by Rashmi is 5, 22.5. Therefore, Rashmi should post her blue flag in fifth line at a distance of 22.5 units.